Good morning, everybody. It's me again. We are headed off to do a main line this morning over in Merrimack, New Hampshire. Wish me luck and stay tuned and hope to see you at the end of the video. Thanks.
So the septic tank is right here. I mean, those stones, if we lift them, the access thing.
Oh, that's perfect because you said you dumped drain cleaner in there.
I did.
So I kind of want to go from the outside in anyways, just because the drain cleaner, I don't know which one you used, and it can be...
I get it. You don't want it on you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So if we can, we'll just go in right through here.
Yeah.
And...
So,
Is that the tree you're going to cut down?
Yeah. The inlet is on this side.
Okay.
I mean, I can see it there.
Yeah.
So presumably it turns and goes that way.
The bathroom's right inside that.
The bathroom's on this side of the window.
Okay. Can we take a peek in there?
Yes, yeah. You come in. The main drains of the house is right there.
Okay,
right on the
so
other
it
side.
goes.
It's
Okay.
like behind here.
Yep.
So this, it goes that way, but there is the drain runs along, and this toilet just goes into it. Like the washing machine's on the other side of this wall. If I turn on water in there, you'll see it go by. Or if I turn this sink on, you'll see it.
Do you see it go into the tank? Have you tried that?
Some water does make it to the tank. Like it's a real slow.
So it sounds like it's partially blocked.
Like
it is from the roots.
If they flush the toilet up there, it'll come out here.
Okay, yeah.
But
so
if they turn the sink on upstairs, I'll watch this slowly rise up. And when they shut the sink off, eventually it'll slowly go down. So some water can get through, but if it's a lot of water, it comes.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Alrighty. So we're gonna get some stuff. I already quoted the price to you.
Yeah.
The reason why it'll be that price is because the machine that we use, we go in there and we take a look with the camera at the same time, and that way there I'll know that I get all the roots out.
Right.
And I'll be able to tell what type of pipe it is.
How possible is it that the pipe is like compromised and needs to be replaced?
Technically, it is compromised because you have roots.
Right.
If you pulled roots back, technically it is compromised, but it could just be in one joint, and then snaking it out every couple years will help that without you having to dig up anything, because judging by where that flange comes out, and you said the inlet's like here, the inlet baffle, it's going to be underneath your concrete.
That's what I was thinking. I was a little surprised to not encounter it here, so I said, it's probably here.
Right. So it might just be easier just to have it snaked out every couple of years.
Does the camera allow you to get an idea of the condition or state of that pipe?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see all of it, and I'll get your email from you, and we'll be able to send you the link to that video as well.
I was talking to my wife about this morning. Why did they plant this tree here? Like, I don't know where you would learn about these kinds of homeowner info tips, but don't plant trees above your septic tank is probably something homeowners should know.
Well, yeah, it looks like your tank goes this way, so which is good, but it's still probably above, like on top of it.
Yeah.
But there's a certain weight you can't go over. I can't remember the weight, but
Well, I just think in general, having to go through this now, that things
that,
like that shouldn't exist anywhere near
right.
stuff
And if
like
your
this.
pipe comes out this way, why put a patio on top of it?
It's interesting. I've had a couple of drain backup problems here in the past.
Is it this one? Was it this one, or was it just other?
Well, no. That bathroom just on the other side of the wall is the laundry room.
Yep.
Oh
yeah, you got roots.
Yep.
I don't know if you want to see.
I'm curious
now that you can actually see.
Holy cow! That's in the pipe.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ugh. Gross.
So, but that is gonna take that out of the pipe.
Yeah, that'll tear that right out of there.
It'll just. So basically, what those are, Josh, if you can grab that and swing it over here to me so I can push it in there. So basically, what these are carbine teeth on the sides of this.
Oh yeah.
And this spins.
Half a
this
chainsaw.
doesn't spin. The inside spins, but it spins those to the point where I can just rip those right out of your pipe.
Awesome.
So.
I don't know what I'd use it for, but I want one of these cameras.
Colonoscopies.
It's pretty good stuff. It's a high-res camera, and I can see pretty good.
All right, go ahead and pull it. Stop for a sec. Go ahead. Stop. Is it backed up right now in there? If not, can you turn on the, oh, hold on, I got a bunch on the end here. I'm just gonna pull it out and pull the roots off, and then I'll see if there's any more.
Okay.
And then I'll have you run cold water. Is that, I don't know if you can see it past the chains.
Yeah.
That's all packed root.
Okay.
So, can you run just the bathroom sink cold water?
Yeah.
I want to see where it's coming out of.
I'm looking down into the drain of the toilet, and the water's running right by.
Okay.
It is not.
Yeah,
backing up.
I'm trying to see if it's coming out here, and I'm not seeing it at all. You can just leave it running as long as it's not filling up that flange. Back to the drill. Push this in. Alright, pull this back. Alright, go ahead.
Okay, that released something up here.
Oh yeah,
Yep, there it goes. I can hear it now.
I got you draining.
Sounds like a toilet flush. Yeah.
You can actually run that sink cold water for me? That'd be perfect.
Okay, here it comes.
Let's let the pipe get really, really rinsed out. And then we'll go back in with the camera to see the condition of it and make sure we got all the roots. So we got some more root to snake out. I don't want to smack you with mud and sewage. Hold on. It looks like he has a lot of, you have a lot of buildup right here too, which is like pipe scale and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
That'll get cleaned up when I clean.
Alright.
Go ahead. Stop. Alrighty. And there's your culprit.
What is that?
Tree roots.
Oh.
So when you have roots in your pipe and you flush pretty much anything,
Right.
unfortunately those roots will act like a strainer, like in your kitchen
Right.
sink. And they just love to catch it and leave a mess for you. Perfect. Water. Go ahead. look at that. Much better.
It's like a pipe.
So it's the full circumference now.
Yeah.
And everything's flowing out, and you're good to go.
And I was happy, and then I was depressed, and now I'm happy again.
That is always a good thing.
Yeah.
So you're good to go. You're flowing 100%, and you can use everything in your house.
Sounds good. Awesome.
Alrighty, we'll clean up, and then I'll get your slip done, and we'll be good to go.
Well, I needed help, so I started searching. I found you guys. People on the internet were happy with you guys. I like your no-nonsense, here's what it costs approach on the website.
Yeah, we like to be straightforward. We don't like... Alrighty, everybody. That does it for that one. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you could just do me one favor, help us get to 1,000. Just hit that subscribe button. It would help us. We just want to get to 1,000. So please help us if you like this video. Thanks.